This is a video on how to fix your window lock when it's stuck in the open position. It's very simple to do. First thing you do, you grab from here, pull, comes right off. As you can see, here's a mechanism that opens your window and door. It locks when you close it, pull it back, it opens. So basically all this is just cosmetic to make your window look pretty. So as you can see, it's closed right here. So all I gotta do is put it back on, line it up in the closed position and snap it in place. Right now it's in the open position, it opens, now it closes. Want to pull it off again, do that, comes right off. Since it's in the closed position, put it on in the closed position. You see that? Uh-oh, I got it stuck. Well, if it's stuck like that, not a problem. Get your little blade. Close it. Snap it on. There you go. And that's basically how these lock covers work.